This tutorial will show you how to install and set up an aftermarket radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This unit is compatible with certain VW, Seat, and Skoda models. A full list will be in the description and on our website. For your safety, please pay attention to the warnings on screen now. The first step is to use a pry tool to unclip the plastic frame from the center console. You will then need to unscrew the 4 screws holding the unit in place. You will need a T20 screwdriver bit for this step. Then you can pull out the old unit and unplug the power supply and radio connection. Now the old unit has been removed, we can begin installing the new radio. Next, you must select the correct power harness for your car. You can do this by looking at the shape of the adapters. We can then connect the new antenna adapter. Next, you must connect the CanBus decoder to the main power harness. This is used for reading signals from your car's sensors, such as reverse and parking sensors, as well as open door sensors. Then, you can plug in the rest of the cables to the new unit, beginning with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas. Following this, we can plug in the radio antenna and main power supply. At this point, the unit should power on. It is important to disconnect the red and orange cables. This makes sure the unit does not draw power from your car when the key is not in the ignition. Then we can wire up the USBs. The placement of these changes in different car models, but for most, there will be a gap to wire the USBs into the glove box. On most Skodas, however, it must be wired from the bottom of the center console, as seen here. We can then attach the GPS system. However, this is not necessary if you are using CarPlay, as the device will use your phone's location in CarPlay mode. The installation is now complete, and we can screw the unit into place and place the frame back around the unit. Now, we will be setting up wireless CarPlay. Firstly, you must connect to the device via Bluetooth. After a few seconds, the device should detect your iPhone and automatically launch CarPlay. If this does not happen, please open the Z-Link app manually, then CarPlay should connect. The device has many other apps pre-installed, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney+. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll try and help you out. A link to the CarPlay unit will be in the description.